All right. Good morning from beautiful Studio City, California. Hopefully this camera is autofocusing. 70 degrees. It's another rough winter. We're going to wake up the gray lady this morning for you, a cold start. Jane is already awake, ready for the cold start. And off we go. I'm going to step back and let her do her thing. And then I'll go up to the engine and take a temp reading so you can compare the 70 degrees to the temperature of the engine that it's currently at, which should be colder than 70 degrees since it's been asleep all night. All right. Locking up now. Stand by. There's Jane there. All right, there's the cold engine lit by a beautiful flashlight. And let's see what this is. 59. Okay. Well, I would say let's start it up. Off on gas. Come on, baby. Yeah, let's do it again, quick. Yeah, shut off real quick. I blew it, guys. All right, let's do one more video. But the video that you had of it starting is fine. I'm just going to show the temp. So.
Oh, the start was okay?
Yeah, the start was okay because they saw it from there.
Oh.
And so here's the temp. Here's the temp of our engine, 60 degrees. And just for fun, start it up again. That's it. Let me go shut off my camera because our camera will show all of that. How stupid I was. It helps if you put your camera on video, not still.